In 10 seconds, I will ask 3 packing label questions first. Keep your answers. Then we will follow the label workflow, the warehouse failure story, and reveal the answer key near the end. Question 1. A carton is sealed and dispatched, but packing label contents is empty. Choose the workflow failure, not the surface symptom. The answer comes later. Question 2. A retailer rejects a pallet because the barcode format does not match their profile. Keep your answer. The clue appears when we talk about retailer label types. Question 3. A packer manually types SKUs at the station, and the shipment later goes into dispute. Pick the fix that creates proof, not just supervision. Now the story. A packing label is not just a sticker. It is the control point between the carton, the WMS record, the carrier scan, and the customer promise. A traceable carton needs 4 things: barcode, shipment number, destination, and tracking number. When those fields are clean, the carton can move through pack station, courier handoff, and customer tracking with confidence. The workflow is simple, but the timing matters. Products are packed, cartons are created, labels are generated, barcodes are printed, labels are attached, and shipment status updates. The label should be generated after confirmed packing. Swift log shows the B2B version. Retailers need specific label formats, routing codes, and pallet links. If the label type profile is wrong, the warehouse does not just get a label issue. It gets chargebacks. This is why operations teams care. The label workflow protects speed, traceability, courier handoff, and customer trust. The value is not the paper label. The value is the proof it creates before the box leaves. Fit style shows the D2C version. Labels were printed in bulk and matched manually. The better control is simple: generate the label at pack confirmation, scan verify it, and write contents from confirmed picks only. Here is the human cost. The carton can be packed correctly and still become a customer problem. If the label record is wrong, the courier cannot scan cleanly, support cannot answer confidently, and the customer only sees delay. Now the timeline. Same warehouse, same order, same team. One carton leaves without a valid label and loses 28 hours. The other is scan verified, contents are written, tracking activates, and delivery stays normal. The first record is packing labels. It is the master record for the physical label. If this row is missing or incomplete, the carton may exist in the warehouse, but it does not have a reliable system identity. The second record is packing label contents. This is the proof layer. It records the SKU, quantity, batch, and serial details that help you defend returns, disputes, audits, and compliance checks. Here are the 3 mistakes to remove. Do not print labels before packing is complete. Do not allow blank barcode fields. And do not let packers manually type SKU contents into the carton record. Answer key. Q1 is B, pick confirmation was not linked to label generation. Q2 is B, the label type profile mapped to that retailer. Q3 is C, auto-populate label contents from scan confirmed picks only. That is the audit. If you want to connect warehouse execution to NetSuite records, continue with NetSuite ERP Campus. The goal is practical WMS knowledge that operators, supervisors, and 3PL teams can actually use. You now know why packing labels are a WMS control point. In the next episode, we close the outbound loop with manifesting and carrier handoff. Before your next dispatch run, share this with the person who owns packing accuracy. Ask one question: are labels generated from confirmed packing, or are people matching labels manually?